Milk frother, automatic milk steamer. Multifunctional milk frother. This milk frother makes hot and cold milk froth for cappuccinos, heats hot milk for lattes. Capacity, frothing 5.1 ounces, 150 milliliters, heating 10.2 ounces, 300 milliliters. Fast, easy and silent. This frother makes dense milk foam in less than 1 minute. Super easy and fast to use. It creates the best, thick foam with quiet operation. Fashion and unique design, designed by high-quality stainless steel, and this stainless steel Nespresso milk frother is so on trend. It comes with fashion naturally, can fit everywhere. Easy to clean. Cleans up very easily with free supplied brush. Also you could wipe with a soft wet cloth. Perfect gift. They are the nice gifts for families and friends. You guys don't have to spend money in Starbucks and you can create your own favorite coffee. And our close relationship with you does not end once our milk frothers are delivered. It is only just beginning.